We've added things, we've checked them, we've deleted them. You've already made some subfolders. And let's see, I've already gone through these, you can add notes, tags, and other things over here. Okay, that is all I'm going to go over in, oh no, there's one other thing I want to do here. Okay, so one other issue that might come up for you when you're doing research. Let's go back to these sites. So let's say, let's go back to our search, our search in Google Scholar. Let's say I choose the first one here, High on the Hog. Note it's got a PDF link to it. Nope. Okay, so this is, it didn't come up as a PDF. Let's find one that actually does. Nope, not a PDF. These are all perfectly fine. Hang on, I'm going to pause and find the correct reference. Okay, I found an example of what I was looking for. So this one, actually this is where it says PDF in front here. So this link here, maybe this is something that is of interest to you, but when you click on it, it goes directly into the article itself in a PDF file. And you'll notice that now the Zotero links has the PDF icon. You definitely don't want to save it this way, because all this will do. So if we click on that and then go over to Zotero, well, actually no, it didn't. It put some stuff in, but there's not as much metadata on the PDF, and it automatically downloaded the PDF. And let's say I don't want to take up space on my server, so I'm actually going to, and this is how you would find that. So if you have these little, you see these little drop down things, these are snapshots are fine, but PDFs are not. They're eating up your space. So then I'll just hit delete for that. Remove item, move item, yes. Okay, so I could go through this and edit things because it needs the date, it needs the volume, it needs all this stuff. There might be an easier way to deal with the fact that PDFs just don't have enough metadata attached to them. Go back to the original citation where it says the title right here, and there are a couple of quotes you see on every reference in Google Scholar. There are these little quotes, double quotation marks. So if I click on that, it'll say, okay, you want to cite it. What format do you want to cite it in? Zotero was based in part, in fact, actually got sued initially because it was so similar to EndNote. So choose EndNote. And now, let's see if it did a little better on the, okay, so now, yeah, we got some more information in there. We got the date. There's no URL link. You can put that in yourself if you want, but there's a bit more information, and this is enough to, kind of enough, although I'd really like to see that volume and issue in there, so I want to check on that. Except this is a book, so it won't have that. Okay, so that's what you do if for some reason the link that you want goes directly to a PDF. Use this little cite link right here. Okay, so that's all we're going to do in this section. You now know how to add references to your Zotero Scholar, or sorry, your Zotero account. And for the purposes of that first assignment, you just need to add 3 references into your account. One of them could be our textbook if you want. If you think you're going to use the textbook, or Lyman. you can do that as well. And then, of course, I want you to take a screenshot and upload that for the assignment.